Hello, Dwayne Lessner here. I want to talk about cost governance today from Nutanix. So we do have an NC2 cluster up and running in AWS. Now, down on the bottom here, there's this view analytics. Now, you can get to this through mynutanix.com and then cost governance, or you can click on that link. We already have it open here. So this tool will allow you to really make sure that you're not overspending in any areas within your cloud environment and also with your Nutanix clusters. So we see the view is AWS. Now, in the cloud, it doesn't really make it easy to find out where you're actually spending your money. So it can be quite difficult. So if we go down into services, we can see how I've been spending my money, and you can look at all of the different areas that a company or an individual is going to have to manage. It's going to add up really quick and then just overwhelm you at the end of the month. So a really great way of looking at your cloud spend. Can break it down into the different regions where you're deploying to. You can see that most of my work is in US East 1, but we do have some other team members that are using or consuming other regions as well. If you have storage costs that you're worried about within the environment, mine's coming from NC2, so not really a big deal. And then ingress and egress data charges. So pretty good, as most of mine is going into AWS. Now, one of the big benefits here is on the save section. Now, my environment's pretty clean because I've been using this tool, but you have eliminate and optimize, which are great tools for reducing cloud spend. So you can see that 99.7%, really good. But if on the eliminate side, old snapshots, unused S3 volumes have been things in the past that I've been able to find and able to actually remediate right from this menu. So unused elastic IP, eliminate. So I'm not using it anymore. I can go off and just click this, and now that cost is going to go away. On the optimize side, I'm not really expecting to see anything here, but you can get a look at different areas within your cloud environment that it'll be able to tell you to maybe switch to a different instance type or maybe reduce spend in other ways. Now, that's just one part. What happens if you want to divvy up the cost of your NC2 cluster? So you can have it connect to your Prism Central. So we just have to change the view. So we'll switch this to Nutanix. Pick our Prism Central. So you can see that we have two different cost centers within our environment. We have finance and marketing, and then we also have unallocated, which are firewalls being used by IT as an example. So if we take a look at the configuration, you can set up cost centers within your environment. So we have our cluster that's already been configured. We have user-defined metering. So we have our rate card. This rate card has been configured using the pricing for my environment and software. So you can do that based on your own pricing. Then you can configure your different cost centers. So we have the finance and marketing cost center. Now, if we take a look at the finance cost center, it is set up, save business unit, and then in the down below, you can define the key value pair that you want to assign to your resources. So here, cost center finance, and we have the same for our marketing cost center here under our business unit and cost center marketing. Now, if we take a look at our Prism Central, Under our VMs, we have the finance VM. So if we just take a look at this one, go manage categories, we see that we have that key value pair defined. And likewise on the marketing virtual machines, we have the appropriate tag as well. So pretty easy to get that set up within your environment. You can do chargeback, showback, and ensure that you're spending your company's dollars wisely. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video, and we'll see you in the next video.